Hey everybody, we're aboard Delaware Lackawanna Western subscription car number 2454. This car was part of its MU fleet, which ran in North Jersey, really between Hoboken, where we are right now, and Dover, as well as on the Gladstone branch, all in North Jersey. Subscription cars were very interesting because several railroads, Delaware Lackawanna Western, Pennsylvania, Chicago Northwestern, and so on, had these, and you had groups of people who would pay to lease a car from the railroad, and that would be their car. So they would ride this car on the commuter train on a daily basis, and the last of these operated in 2018 out in Chicago. Now, this car has been restored by the Whippany Railway Museum, and it is immaculate both inside and out. And one more neat thing, right behind me is Delaware Lackawanna Western President William Truesdale. A lot of what you heard about the carriers, such as the Lackawanna Cutoff, the Nicholson Cutoff, and the big beautiful viaducts, such as the Tunkhannock Viaduct, were all built under his tenure. And he is known for taking the DL and Dudley to its zenith. So, when you get a chance, come to the Whippany Railway Museum, check it out, and like and subscribe to the All Aboard podcast by